3116 Waterview. I would suggest painting that gate. Small difference, but it could make a big difference. Missing some rock here. So we have the 2.5-inch faux blinds that we like on some of the windows. We need one there. And one here. And we'll get the property manager opinion on what to do with this door here. This side of this yard will get the morning sun. I don't know if that bush is dead or not. It may just be dormant in the winter. We need to fix this so people don't trip on it. And there's a double door. There's French doors to the backyard. The wall's a great color. It looks grayish, but not too gray, almost a little tan. It's very neutral. We need a fridge, of course. Cabinets look fine. We have a space saver microwave, all black appliances. We could use a gooseneck faucet there, a blind there. So 3 blinds in here. It really depends on the property manager. Maybe she'll say, let the light come in. This laminate counter kind of sticks out a bit. It may not matter. So this laundry room is one that you walk through from the garage. And of course we want to rekey this door. There's a lot of doors right here. Pretty straightforward. Beautiful countertop. Upgraded light fixture. We want to replace this door. Okay, now let's go upstairs. Oh, wet bar with the granite counters. Okay, now let's go upstairs. Carpet looks new. These are nice wide stairs. Cabinets look good. Need a blind in here. We have closet door guides, rods, raised panel doors, dated hardware, but with the nice paint job and the new carpet, it doesn't stand out too much. So 2 blinds upstairs. Not the best grout work, but it may be fine. I'm not sure how much you can see through. When you shower rod in here, I would want to verify that the water's not going to leak through, that it was installed correctly, just because it looks like a pretty big gap. Beautiful counters, dated lights. That wouldn't be too much to fix, but it may not be necessary because you have the beautiful granite counters. 3 blinds in here. Okay. And well, this is interesting. Okay. And another closet. Okay, that's that.